Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. So this is the Seat Leon that we've been working on. What we've upgraded this car with is front and rear parking sensors as well as an integrated reversing camera solution. So if you're after something like this, feel free to get in touch with our team. We've got bespoke workshop facilities where all our work gets carried out in Cambridge. So feel free to get in touch and we're happily give you quotes and prices for all of this work. So what we've added in, we're going to show you from the front and the back, as also all the bits and pieces that's visible to you as a customer and what you're going to be getting if you're looking at one of these systems. So the front sensors are a flush fit sensor, really nice design. You wouldn't really be able to tell that they weren't factory fitted, and that's on the front and the back. So what we're going to show you now, on the front here, we've got a really nice smooth finisher sensor. They're all colour coded to the vehicle, so if you do have a vehicle in another colour, obviously they'll get painted to exactly match that perfectly. We step over to the rear of the vehicle. What we've got down here is basically, again, both front and rear sensors are a 4-head system, so a really nice design, a really OEM finish, and they all go all the way around the vehicle as well. So these go into near enough manufacturer given points. What's involved with doing work like this, we remove the front and rear bumper. All the cabling gets really neatly put away, so it's everything's out of the way, nothing's visible, and all you see is this really nicely finished work. Down here what we've got is a ProFit wedge camera. It's a completely watertight design. It's our go-to in terms of reversing cameras. First of all, the quality of the actual image that you get, as well as the neatness and the finish of the actual product. So what we're going to do, we're going to step inside the vehicle. So the way the system works is, if you're looking at one of these systems, you'll identify that in fact you've got 2 SD card slots in here. So if you do have those, then please send a picture of those as well as the media screen to us, so we can get a quote ready for you. So this system, basically, I'll talk about the front sensors first. There's a little switch that we install practically wherever you want in the vehicle, and you turn them on by a press of a button, and that activates the front sensors, and you turn them off really easily by turning that off. The rear sensors work whenever you select reverse, and as you can see up on the screen here, so that you lost no functionality of the actual radio functions or at all, but when you select reverse you get a really clear image, as well as you get the moving guidelines as well. So these move alongside the way your wheels are aligned to, and you've got a little bit of the bumper there, which is just showing you exactly where the end of the car is, but these can be adjusted so we can move the lines back and forward to fit the exact vehicle. It's a really nice solution in terms of the clarity. If you have the factory fitted parking sensors, don't worry, on this system you wouldn't lose them. You get a little PDC control which would appear here or here, which would allow you to view your parking sensors. So for more details on a system like this, feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. We do loads of these vehicles for a lot of the main dealerships across Cambridgeshire. But if you're after one of these systems, feel free to get in touch with us. Our team are more than happy to help. If you have another vehicle and you're looking for a similar system, we might not have a video yet on that particular vehicle, but we'll probably have pictures or give you an idea exactly how it's going to look. So thank you very much for watching our short video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Please don't forget to like and share on all our social media platforms. Thank you.